What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Another video coming to you right now from Bullet's Garage. If you're a subscriber and you've been following all along, thank you so much. And for those of you that are new, please consider subscribing below. Hit that bell icon above to stay up to date with all my videos on Lexus content. Today is December 7th and it's freaking freezing for December. Inside it's showing 36 degrees, but outside it's more like, feels like 15. So it's freezing. I cannot stand this cold, but I'm out here in the garage providing content for you guys as always, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and I need your help, guys. So if you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and help me out. All right, anyway, on to today's video. What are we gonna talk about? Oil catch cans right here, oil catch cans. Listen guys, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. I had an oil catch can in my 2006 GTI that I recently sold, and that oil catch can saved me numerous issues because Volkswagens are known for having carbon buildup and misfires and all that kind of stuff. The oil catch can provided me relief of some of those symptoms because none of those gases were being sent to be reburned in the intake manifold. I emptied out all that gunk and debris that was collected, and I had no issues with that in my car. So I'm gonna empty out my Gsf oil catch can today for you guys. If you have a Lexus Gsf, RCF, LC500, if you track your car, if you care about it, please guys consider getting an oil catch can because it's gonna make a world of difference. Without the oil catch can, all the vapors that are like blow by from the pistons, everything is sent back into the intake manifold to be reburned. Somebody wants some love and attention. Got the kids here with me. I'm sorry guys, we're about to be done. We're gonna be leaving in a second. Just hold on 5 more minutes. Stop sniffing her butt. What's wrong with you, old man? Anyway, I digress guys. Listen, if you have those cars, you don't want that blow-by getting sent back into your intake manifold. What's supposed to go into your engine? Air, fuel, and a spark. That's what makes power. That's what engines need. They don't need vapors from the inside of the engine getting sent back into the intake manifold to be reburned for emission purposes. So what an oil catch can does is it bypasses, it gets plugged between the line that goes into the intake manifold, so it catches all those vapors and oils into the catch can and only sends back clean air going into the engine how it should be. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew my can, take it to the workbench, empty out what I have in there, and this has been since I took the car out in 2018, so I took it out what, April, late April, drove it till end of November. So I'm gonna show you what collected in that catch can, so let's get right into it. All right, here we are in the catch can. As you guys know, normally these lines come blue from RR Racing. I plasti dipped mine so they look more factory, especially this bracket and the bolts. I don't want it to stand out as much with the silver, so it looks more OEM. All you gotta do is reach under here, the canister is underneath, and you're gonna unscrew it. All right, so we're gonna loosen this up. It's a little tight because you have some wires running over there, but it will come out. If you don't wanna do it this way, I usually just unbolt these two and take out the whole canister. But just for the sake of showing you guys, I'm just gonna do it this way. All right, it's loose. Just gonna slide it down and pull this bad boy up. And let's go over to the workbench so we have some better lighting and I could show you what is hiding in this can. All right, guys, I cut open a plastic bottle here so I could pour the contents in of what is in this catch can. So here we go. This is what your engine is reburning without this oil catch can. You guys ready? Look at that. Wow, all this oil that would have otherwise been sent back into the intake manifold to be reburnt. Look at that. This is not what is supposed to go into your intake manifold. You're supposed to have clean air and nothing else. Look at all that. I'm gonna empty out the rest of this that's in here, let it drip out for a little bit, reinstall, and call it a day. But like I said, I'm not sponsored by RR Racing, but I do highly recommend their product because it helps your engine last and perform better for the long run. So if you care about your car, especially if you take your car to the track or autocross, your oil catch can is going to fill up significantly more because you're driving at a lot higher RPM for longer periods of time. This is just basically regular street driving with a couple pulls here and there. If you're on the track, this bad boy will fill up significantly more and you're going to have a lot in this catch can. So that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was informative. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. See you guys.